Hello everyone. Welcome to Merit Article. In this video, we'll simplify budgeting basics and share advanced insights to empower your financial journey. Stick around for valuable tips, and if you find this content helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out upcoming contents. Number 1. Define precise financial objectives. At the heart of financial success is the simple act of setting clear and specific financial goals. Imagine these goals as your financial North Star, guiding your journey to prosperity. For instance, picture yourself saving up for a dream vacation, buying your first home, or securing a comfortable retirement. These goals aren't just dreams, they're achievable targets. Research shows that people who set clear financial objectives are more likely to reach them. This phenomenon is described by the goal-setting theory, which underscores the importance of specificity and motivation in goal attainment. In fact, a Harvard study found that the 3% of MBA graduates who had written goals outperformed the other 97% combined. Number 2. Monitor income and expenditures closely. Budgeting, at its core, is like keeping score in a game. You need to know how much you're earning and how much you're spending. This isn't just about listing numbers, it's about understanding your financial behavior. Imagine your income as the scoreboard and your expenses as the players on the field. By closely monitoring these aspects, you become the coach, making strategic decisions to ensure victory. This process reveals spending patterns, and the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, often comes into play. This principle suggests that roughly 80% of your outcomes result from 20% of your inputs. In budgeting, this means that a significant portion of your expenses might be driven by a small number of factors. Identifying these can be a game-changer in achieving financial success. Number 3. Create a realistic budget. Budgeting is like mapping out a road trip. You need a clear plan to reach your destination. Start by allocating your income strategically, much like you'd plan pit stops along your journey. Essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries are the first stops on your financial map. Now, here's where financial theory comes in. Ever heard of the zero-based budget? It's a strategy where you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific purpose, leaving nothing unaccounted for. This method not only ensures you cover your essentials, but also empowers you to allocate funds for savings and discretionary spending. It's like having a well-planned itinerary for your financial journey. Number 4. Prioritize building an emergency fund. Imagine an emergency fund as your financial umbrella when unexpected rain pours down. It's not just a good idea, it's a necessity. Experts often recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Here's where the precautionary saving theory comes into play. This theory suggests that individuals naturally save for unforeseen emergencies, reflecting the human instinct to protect against financial storms. Real-life stories reinforce this concept. Consider the 2008 financial crisis. Those with emergency funds had a financial buffer when the economic storm hit, allowing them to weather the downturn more effectively. Having an emergency fund is like carrying a sturdy umbrella in a financial downpour. It shields you from getting drenched in unexpected expenses. Number 5. Distinguish necessities from desires. Budgeting serves as your financial filter, helping you discern between needs and wants. Necessities encompass vital expenses such as housing, groceries, healthcare, and utilities, essential components for a secure and comfortable life. Wants, on the other hand, pertain to discretionary spending, including dining at restaurants, entertainment, and non-essential purchases. The key principle here is needs versus wants analysis. It's like putting each expense through a filter to determine if it's essential for your well-being or if it's a discretionary luxury. By categorizing expenses this way, you gain clarity on where your money should go, ensuring that your essential needs are met before indulging in wants. This clear distinction empowers you to make informed financial decisions, prioritizing what truly matters. Number 6. Tackle high-interest debts strategically. Managing high-interest debts is akin to crafting a financial battle plan. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, often come with hefty interest rates that can accumulate rapidly. To conquer this financial challenge, consider employing one of two strategic approaches, the avalanche method or the snowball method. The avalanche method involves prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debts first, effectively reducing the total interest paid over time. In contrast, the snowball method focuses on paying off smaller debts initially, instilling a sense of accomplishment and motivation as you clear individual debts. Both methods are effective, but the choice depends on your personal preferences and financial goals. By strategically allocating funds to tackle high-interest debts, you're taking a decisive step towards financial freedom. Number 7. Implement automated savings mechanisms. Budgeting requires discipline, and automation is your trusty sidekick. Automating savings is akin to setting up a financial safety net that operates seamlessly in the background. When your income arrives, consider automating transfers to your designated savings accounts. This practice, often termed pay yourself first, ensures you consistently allocate a portion of your income to savings before other expenses beckon. Behavioral economics supports this strategy. The behavioral finance theory suggests that individuals tend to follow the path of least resistance. By making savings automatic, you're harnessing this behavioral bias to your advantage. Research indicates that people are more likely to save when it occurs automatically, fostering a savings habit that steadily builds your financial future. Number 8. Establish an investment strategy. Budgeting isn't solely about saving, it's also about growing your wealth. An essential step in this journey is establishing an investment strategy. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into financial trees. Investments offer the potential for your money to multiply over time, outpacing inflation and building wealth. Diversification is a key concept here. Spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help manage risk. Consider employing the buy and hold strategy, where you purchase investments and hold on to them for the long term, benefiting from compound returns. It's akin to nurturing a tree over the years, watching it grow and bear fruit. This approach can lead to financial security and even financial independence, giving you more freedom to pursue your dreams. Number 9. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Budgeting is an evolving process, much like steering a ship through changing waters. It's vital to review and adjust your budget periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and changing circumstances. The zero-based budget approach can aid in this endeavor. By giving every dollar a purpose, you continually assess your financial priorities. Additionally, consider using financial apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and income, making adjustments as needed. Just as a ship's captain constantly adjusts the sails to reach the desired destination, you must fine-tune your budget to stay on course toward financial success. Embracing this practice can help you adapt to life's changes and seize new opportunities. Number 10. Seek professional financial guidance. Navigating the complexities of finance can be akin to exploring uncharted territories. Seeking professional financial guidance is akin to having an experienced guide by your side. Financial advisors, certified planners, or investment experts can provide invaluable insights and strategies tailored to your unique circumstances. It's like hiring an expert navigator for your financial journey. They can help you make informed decisions, optimize investments, and plan for major milestones like retirement or purchasing a home. Additionally, consider delving into financial literature and exploring books by renowned financial authors. Their wisdom can offer valuable perspectives on wealth management and financial planning. By combining expert advice with self-education, you empower yourself to make informed decisions and embark on a path toward lasting financial success. In conclusion, these 10 budgeting basics provide a strong foundation for financial success. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.